Greetings, automotive enthusiasts. Are you tired of the same old driving experience? Does your car feel more like a tin can on wheels than a futuristic chariot? Well, buckle up because we're about to explore groundbreaking inventions that'll transform your car into a tech-powered masterpiece. Forget fancy spoilers and neon underglow. We're talking cutting-edge innovations that'll redefine the way you drive, park, and interact with your vehicle. We're delving into a lineup of cool inventions that are set to elevate your car experience to unprecedented heights. From cutting-edge safety features to futuristic entertainment systems, these innovations are changing the game. The holographic co-pilot, augmented reality, navigation, reimagined ditch the clunky GPS, and say hello to your holographic co-pilot. Imagine a transparent heads-up display projecting directions, speed limits, and even points of interest directly onto your windshield or dashboard. No more fumbling with maps or missing exits. Your virtual guide will lead the way, highlighting turns, obstacles, and even suggesting cool pit stops along your journey. The mind-reading machine, brain-computer interface for intuitive control. Ever wished you could control your car with just your thoughts? Well, the future is here. Imagine a brain-computer interface (BCI) system that reads your brain waves, allowing you to adjust temperature, change music, or even activate cruise control, all hands-free and completely thought-controlled. Imagine cruising down the highway, mentally picturing a specific radio station and having it instantly switch, all while keeping your eyes focused on the road. Talk about peak multitasking. The shape-shifting chameleon, self-reconfigurable body panels. Tired of your car's dull, unchanging appearance? This one's for the customization fanatics. Imagine body panels made of shape-shifting materials that can morph and transform at your command. Want a sleek, aerodynamic look for the highway? Simply activate speed mode and watch your car streamline itself. Feeling adventurous and want to tackle some off-road terrain? Switch to rugged mode and see your car sprout virtual fenders and enhanced ground clearance. It's like having a car that can adapt to any situation, just like a real chameleon. The Invisible Guardian, AI-powered predictive collision. Avoidance accidents happen, but what if your car could predict them before they even occur? This AI-powered system acts as your invisible guardian angel, analyzing traffic patterns, road conditions, and even driver behavior to anticipate potential collisions. Imagine your car gently applying the brakes to avoid a tailgating situation, or subtly swerving to steer clear of a hidden pothole. It's like having a super-powered awareness of your surroundings, keeping you and your loved ones safe on the road. The biometric butler, personalized comfort and convenience. Step into a car that knows you better than you know yourself. Imagine biometric sensors that recognize your fingerprints, voice, or even facial features, tailoring the car's settings to your individual preferences. From automatically adjusting the seat position and temperature to playing your favorite music genre, your car becomes a truly personalized haven. Imagine stepping in on a hot day and having the AC instantly activate to your preferred temperature, or the car greeting you by name and playing your go-to stress-busting playlist. Talk about ultimate comfort and convenience. The solar-powered road warrior. Self-charging on the go, imagine never having to stop for gas again. This invention could be a game changer for electric car owners. Picture solar panels integrated seamlessly into the car's roof or hood, constantly soaking up the sun's rays, and converting them into energy that fuels your journey. As you drive, your car charges itself, eliminating range anxiety and making long road trips a breeze. Imagine cruising down the highway, powered by the clean energy of the sun, feeling good about your environmental impact, and never having to worry about finding a charging station. The transformer on wheels. Modular car design for versatility. Forget carpooling. Imagine having a car that transforms to suit your needs. This modular design concept allows you to swap out different sections of your car depending on the situation. Need a spacious cabin for a family road trip? Add a passenger module. Going on a solo camping adventure? Swap it for a cargo model for extra gear. It's like having a Swiss Army knife of vehicles. All roll it into one. Imagine seamlessly switching between a sleek city car and a rugged off-roader, all without needing multiple vehicles. The Smart Tire Pressure Monitoring. Smart Tire Pressure Monitoring Systems, TPMS, aren't exactly a brand new invention, but they're continuously evolving with new features and functionalities. These systems, mandated by law in many countries, use basic sensors in each tire to measure pressure and alert drivers when it falls below a certain threshold. They typically display a warning light on the dashboard, but lack details about individual tire pressure or temperature. These advanced systems offer a wider range of features and functionalities beyond basic pressure alerts. They utilize sophisticated sensors with Bluetooth or cellular connectivity, transmitting real-time data to your smartphone or a central display in the car. You can see the pressure and temperature of each tier displayed individually, allowing you to identify slow leaks or overheating issues in specific tires. By keeping tire pressure within optimal range, you reduce the risk of blowouts, accidents, and improved fuel efficiency. Monitor tire pressure remotely and receive timely alerts, eliminating the need for manual pressure checks. Wireless charging stations for electric vehicles, EVs, are still in their early stages of development. But they hold immense potential to revolutionize the way we charge our cars. Here's a deep dive into this exciting technology. Unlike traditional plug-in chargers, wireless charging for EVs eliminates the need for a physical cable connection. Instead, it uses the principle of magnetic induction to transfer energy wirelessly between a charging pad on the ground and a receiver coil mounted under the car. And there you have it. Cool inventions that are transforming the driving experience into something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Which innovation are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you're as thrilled about the future of automotive tech as we are. Subscribe for more exhilarating explorations into the world of innovation. Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the ride.